Welcome to Get Well Skills, your go-to podcast for mastering cryptocurrency.
Today, we're diving deep into blockchain and unveiling powerful trading strategies.
Security, operating on decentralized networks like blockchain, for example, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Key terms: exchange, platform to buy, sell crypto, for example, Binance and Coinbase. Wallet, software or physical device to store crypto, hot wallets for online, cold wallets for offline. Market order, buy or sell at current market price. Limit order, buy or sell at a specific price. Volatility, crypto prices can fluctuate wildly. Expect rapid changes. Altcoins, any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin. HODL, slang for holding crypto long-term instead of selling. 2. Learn how trading works. Types of trading. Day trading, buying and selling within a day to profit from short-term price movements. Swing trading, holding for days or weeks to capture larger price swings. Hodling, long-term holding, betting on future value increase. Market analysis. Technical analysis, or TA, study price charts, patterns, and indicators, for example, moving averages or RSI, to predict price movements. Fundamental analysis, or FA, evaluate a crypto's project, team, technology, and market potential. Sentiment analysis, gauge market mood via news, social media, for example, X posts, and community buzz. 3. Steps to start trading. Research and educate yourself. Read beginner-friendly resources, for example, CoinDesk or Binance Academy. Understand risks. Crypto is volatile and scams are common. Choose a reliable exchange. Popular options: Coinbase, user-friendly; Binance, advanced features; Kraken, security-focused. Check fees, security, for example 2FA, and cold storage and supported coins. Set up a wallet. Use a hot wallet, for example MetaMask, for small amounts or trading. Use a cold wallet, for example Ledger or Trezor, for long-term storage. Start small. Invest only what you can afford to lose, for example $50 to $100. Practice with a demo account if available. Develop a strategy. Set clear goals, for example 5% monthly profit. Use stop-loss orders to limit losses. Diversify. Don't put all funds into one coin. Stay informed. Follow crypto news on X, Reddit, or sites like Cointelegraph. Monitor market trends and regulatory updates, for example SEC/CFTC rulings. 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Investing without research, DIYR, do your own research, falling for pump-and-dump schemes or influencer scams, storing large amounts on exchanges, for example hack risk, ignoring fees which can eat into profits. 6. Resources. Exchanges, Coinbase, Binance, Kraken. Learning, Binance Academy, CoinDesk, YouTube channels, for example Coin Bureau. Tools, CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko for price tracking, TradingView for charts. Community, follow X accounts like @Bitcoin, @Vitalik Buterin, or @Crypto for insights. 7. Current trends in August 2025. Bitcoin ETF approvals and institutional adoption are driving market interest. Ethereum's scaling solutions, for example Layer 2 networks, are gaining traction. Regulatory clarity in the US is evolving. Monitor SEC/CFTC updates. Meme coins, for example Dogecoin, remain volatile but popular.